Hello, Solomon Schools. Today we're going to be talking about what person-first language is and how to use it. First, start with a quote. Dan Rothwell said, "Until we learn to appreciate the power of language and the importance of using it responsibly, we will continue to produce negative social consequences for those victimized by dangerous language habits." It goes to about who a person is at the core and not what they have received, what makes up a person. So what is person-first language? Person-first language puts the person before the disability and describes what a person has, not who a person is. It eliminates all prejudicial and hurtful descriptors. So once again, it goes back to what makes up a person, and who the person is as at the core as a person, and not what people are struggling with or not struggling with. Remember that they are people. They are not a disability. The disability is not the problem. The problem is the prejudices that people come in with and describe these people as they are that thing. So what are some examples of what I'm talking about? Some examples of what people say instead of. So instead of saying the handicapped or disabled, we should switch that to saying people with disabilities. It means they have it. It's not who they are. Say things like she or he is autistic. Don't say she or she is autistic. Say she has autism. That goes back to learning that they are not the disability. She's learning disabled. She has a learning disability. Instead of saying a person is normal or a healthy kid, we say children with disabilities. This person is nonverbal. This person communicates with their eyes, device, or any other sort of form. Again, if you see the difference between say and instead of. Instead of saying that is what that person is, when say is this person has that. This person is struggling with that, or this person is going day to day with it, rather than that is what that person is. Some language here at USD 393 that we need to switch. So language used, then some proposed language that goes into person-first language. Say things like he is a bit slow, or he goes to sped. So we need to switch that to he has a cognitive disability. He has, not he is. Instead of saying he is in sped, he receives special ed services. Instead of saying we have kids that need extra care for transportation, we say she's in a wheelchair. We say she is a person disabled and uses a wheelchair to get around. Those are just some examples of how we need to switch. Thank you.